Maintenance Solutions is a family-owned company that has been around since 2002. Our goal has always been to provide customers with the most advanced product and services for all surface and subsurface repairs. This includes indoor and outdoor concrete, asphalt, foundations or subsurface stabilization, coatings, and more. The most common products and services on the market are outdated, slow, and not durable enough. Flash Floor is our counter to conventional concrete repair products and methods. It's the future of concrete repair. It's easy to use. In average temperatures, it sets up in 15 minutes and is ready for forklift traffic. Unlike epoxies or concrete, it penetrates the pores of the concrete and makes a permanent bond. No saw cutting is required. Just clean the surface of the concrete and fill. Just like concrete, asphalt repairs can be expensive, time-consuming, and invasive with heavy equipment and cure time. With Flash Track, we solve all of this and give you a product that can withstand all the elements that traditional asphalt and asphalt repair products can't. It's easy to use. No heavy equipment is needed. In average temperatures, it sets up in 45 minutes and is ready for heavy traffic. Fills small cracked areas and small or large potholes. It withstands all weather and vehicle fluids. Maintenance Solutions is not just about great products, but we are also about great services too. All of our products are DIY friendly and how-to videos are available on our website. But when it comes to projects you don't have the time for, manpower, and/or experience needed to get the job done, this is where our company shines. We have an experienced and dedicated team that thrives on solving industrial concrete, asphalt, and surface issues. Conventional cut and repour products and methods will interrupt your operations, take days to complete, and not stand the test of time. But just like our products, our team and methods are fast and effective. The products that we offer are the ones we use in our services. That is what makes us fast. The gear we use is minimal. Between our products, gear, and our experienced team, we can work with and around nearly any ongoing operation. We know that continued production is important to your company, so we help make it possible to keep your business running by eliminating the need for an unnecessary shutdown. Not only are we fast and non-invasive, but we're also more affordable while providing a more permanent solution to standard or non-standard concrete and asphalt problems. Lastly, 9 out of 10 times, we'll offer your company a warranty along with our repair. We want to give you peace of mind, knowing the product, process, and people you're relying on are there to solve your problem. For more information, check out our website at www.flashfloor.net or give us a call at 1-888-504-8825.